Chance here.
Ibanez blocked. Ibanez again, second attempt.
Good
What a
reach.
save coming from Batas. Okeke.
That was an easy one for UST.
Ibanez, third attempt. Gets that one in. Grabe yun.
Ateneo really tried to keep the ball alive as much as they can. But with Josh Ibanez in the front row, that's going to be very helpful for UST. And he was the one who got the last point for their squad with that strong cross-court hit.
They maybe were slow at the first starts of the set, but really few will not like Diesel here.
But nagsimula siya mag-init nung second set all the way until the fifth set. Very steady on the attack. There were some errors. I love it. Okay, so yes, Josh, you are the player of the game, and you led the team in the score department, and not just that. Whenever he is in the back row, steady first ball, steady defense, and he led the team all throughout this game.
You know what? He only scored 2 points in set number 1. And then afterwards, imbis yung 6 points sa deficit na yun every single time,